Good morning. Yep, just a little after 8 here. I'm down by the pool. Yeah, there's a pool right over there. So it's Thursday for Bikefest at Lake of the Ozarks. And today we're going to do the Passport Run. Firecracker's getting ready. We're going to go pick up our passport. Now I thought maybe I should do a video on what the Passport Run is and what it's like to do it, because probably a lot of people don't know. So here at Lake of the Ozarks Bikefest for years, they've been doing this Passport Run. And what it is, you buy a book for $25. The money goes to charity. This year it is supporting the Christian Motorcycle Association. They only sell 1,000 of these books. So you have to go to, in this case, 24 stops this year and get your passport stamped, and then turn it in before the last day of the rally, Sunday. And then on Sunday, they're going to draw a winner. And the grand prize this year is a 2024 Lowrider ST in black. So pretty nice grand prize. So we decided we're doing the Passport this year, and I'm going to do a video on it and show you guys what it's like. So we're going to go pick up our passport and get on this. Now, you might be able to do it in a day, but that's a lot of running in a day. Some of these places don't open till 11, noon, things like that. And you'd be doubling back and forth all the time trying to do the ones that are open early and then go back and do the ones that are late. So we're probably going to spread this out over 2 days, but we're going to get started on today, try and knock out the west side of the lake today, because a lot of time we're going to be spending on the east side, so those will be easier to pick up tomorrow and the next day. All right, we are down on Bagnell Dam Strip here at Leatherman's. We're going to go in and get our passports. I'll give you a couple shots of this store. It's a really cool place. They sell leather gear, your official Bikefest shirts and patches and things like that and stuff. They've got helmets, bags, all kinds of stuff. Cool place. Definitely recommend you stop in and check out Leatherman's. You can also get your patches sewn on here as well. All right, we've stopped here at Lake of the Ozarks Harley-Davidson. People are waving at me. I must be getting recognized. This is the Passport bike that they're giving away, the Lowrider ST. So that's what we're doing the Passport Run for today. This place is crazy busy already on a Thursday. I mean, this is early in the rally. Yesterday was the first day, and they said it was just as bad here yesterday. We have got a huge turnout already. So it's going to be off the hooks. So, you guys keep watching. We're going to do some more passport stamps and show you what this is all about and stuff, but this rally is really growing. Getting close to the end of day one here. We got Frankie, Louis, and Paradise Point to hit still. We're gonna go in here to Frankie and Louis and get a stamp on. This is another one of those bars that's down on the water on the west side. Good place to come hang out. They have bands here a lot and stuff. So it's a good time. It is day 2 and we're back on the Passport Run. We got over half of it done yesterday. Gonna try and finish the other half today. It is overcast this morning. It's cool. I got long sleeves on. I think the high today is only gonna be 73. We're in the 60s right now. So, it's gonna be a fun day. The rain looks like it's not in the forecast. It's down to like 10% chance, so we should stay dry, but a little cool. But we're having a great time, man. I'm seeing a ton of bikes up here, seeing a ton of 2024 models rolling into town and stuff. I'm surprised how many new models I'm seeing. They're easy to spot with that new fairing change and stuff. Anyway, we're gonna go up here also and check out some vendors and stuff before we head to our next passport stop. All right, we only got a couple more stamps to get. We're at the Encore Resort. The Encore is another venue that has a lot of bands and stuff. They've got the Globe of Death here this year. Cycle Showcase has an exhibit. They also have the Carnival of Ink here, which is a ink tattoo contest this year. So they got shit going on here no matter what. And they have put out a lot for everybody to come see and do here at Bikefest. Definitely a place I recommend you stop and see. All right, we are down at Camden on the Lake, Throttle America's vendor compound down here at the end of Horseshoe Bend. It's getting our last stamp on the passport run. We'll turn this in on Sunday, see if we win anything. But it's been a great time, great way to see the lake by getting out and riding and going to all these stops. 24 stops this year, so it's been a good time. Somebody said that somebody once did this in 5 hours. Maybe there were fewer stops that year, I don't know. Maybe somebody did in 5 hours this year, but they were hauling ass because this is a lot of room to cover and a lot of places to stop, go in and get a stamp at. But we've had a good time. I hope you guys, if you come to the Bikefest, they do this every year. So if you come to Bikefest, think about doing the passport run. It supports the Christian Motorcycle Association this year. It's always supporting some kind of charity deal. So hope you check it out, and good luck to everybody else who's doing the passport run this year. We got all of our stamps done and everything else, and I run out here to Harley-Davidson, drop the passports off this morning before I go do my meet and greet down at the ice hole. This is where you always drop them off at, is at the Harley dealer. You don't have to be present to win on Sunday, You have to have them dropped off by noon. At least that's the rules this year. I assume it's always going to be that way. Then at 1 o'clock, they draw the winner. So they'll call us if we win, but we're going to get them dropped off now so I don't have to run out here in the morning in case we decide we want to do something else, go for a ride or whatever. Lots of demo bikes here. Great chance to go ride new motorcycles here. Demo truck's always here at the Harley-Davidson dealer. So, all right. We'll let you know if we win or don't win. We are home from Bikefest, and right before we got home, they drew the winner. You don't have to be present to win, but I didn't get no phone calls on my phone. So we got home and we checked online, and lo and behold, they had drawn a winner, and it was somebody we knew. Actually, someone who follows the channel, that we've ridden with, that we've camped with. And congratulations to Stanley from Camdenton for winning that 2023 Black Lowrider ST. It's very cool when someone you know wins a bike like this at an event. So big shout out to him. All right, guys, that's the way it goes sometimes, but it was for a good cause. We had a good time. It's a good way to see everything at the lake and kind of get to know your way around, especially if it's like your first time doing Bikefest. Hope you enjoyed this video. Y'all stay safe, keep on riding, and we'll see you in the next one.